Great day here at Davis Chevrolet in Claresholm, Alberta. Today we're looking at unit number 154601. This is a 2015 GMC Sierra 3500 HD SLT dually. Got 17-inch forged aluminum wheels here. Coming around the back, that's an easy lift and lower tailgate. You can see it has backup sensors. There's also front parking sensors as well. This one comes with the 6.6 liter Duramax diesel at 445 horsepower. That's 910 pound-feet of torque. That's mated with a 6-speed Allison transmission. Inside we have a black leather interior. 80,850 kilometers. The price on this one is $56,500. Looking at the interior now, this is the black leather interior. Seats are power adjustable, both the driver and the passenger. They are also both heated and cooled seats. It has driver seat memory for 2 different drivers, powered windows, locks and mirrors, a Bose upgraded sound system. It also has an integrated trailer brake controller, 4x4 controls, and your light controls here. Here's a look at the driver information center. It's full of useful information about the vehicle. We also have a leather-wrapped steering wheel with steering wheel mounted controls for the cruise control, as well as the heated steering wheel on the left-hand side. And above that actually is the collision warning system. And on the right-hand side, we have controls for the driver information center, as well as your Bluetooth cell phone. There are more radio controls on the back of the steering wheel on both sides. This is an 8-inch touchscreen display on the radio. The radio itself has AM, FM, XM satellite radio, CD, Bluetooth, and auxiliary inputs. We have a dual zone climate control on this one. As said before, it's heated and cooled seats for both the driver and the passenger. Here we have power adjustable pedals, your traction control, box sliding, the 360-degree ultrasonic parking assist, your lane keep assist, and the exhaust brake. Power options include these 3 USB ports on the left, 2 12 volts, and 1 standard 110 volts on the right. In the armrest storage, there's more power options there. There's 2 USBs plus the auxiliary input on the right hand side, and on the left hand side there's 12 volt power there too. Above my head you can see there's controls for the lights, the power sliding rear window, and the universal home remote for the garage at home. And of course in the back of the crew cab there's spacious seating for 3. And as you can see, this one has a sprayed-in box liner. It's ready for a 5th wheel. And there's the power outlet there. Once again, this has been Unit 154601, the 2015 GMC Sierra 3500 HD SLT dually. We're selling this one at Davis Chevrolet in Claresholm, Alberta for $56,500. So come down and check it out today.